Fiber optic cables ensure high-speed, low-loss, interference-free data transmission, making them essential for reliable long-distance networking infrastructure connection stability. My today's video is about top 5 best fiber optic cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at green fiber optic cable. This Cat8 Ethernet cable delivers outstanding ultra-high-speed performance with support for up to 40 gigabits per second data transfer and 2000 megahertz bandwidth, making it an excellent choice for competitive gaming, 4K per 8K streaming, and heavy data usage. It significantly enhances network stability, ensuring smooth uploads, downloads, and low-latency connections for demanding applications. The advanced F/FTP shielding with 4 twisted foil-shielded pairs, combined with a pure copper core and gold-plated RJ45 connectors, effectively minimizes interference, noise, and crosstalk for consistently reliable performance. Built for durability, the cotton-braided exterior strengthens the cable, allowing it to withstand over 10,000 bends, making it ideal for long-term and flexible installations. Post-support, except 65-foot length, adds convenience by enabling power and data through a single cable, especially useful for security cameras. Now our second product is Bram fiber optic cable. This Cat8 Ethernet cable delivers exceptional ultra-high-speed performance with up to 40 gigabits per second data transfer and 2000 megahertz bandwidth, making it ideal for demanding tasks such as cloud computing, server connections, online gaming, and 4K per 8K streaming without lag or interruption. Its advanced S/FTP shielding with 4 foiled twisted copper pairs and 24K gold-plated RJ45 connectors ensures superior signal integrity by significantly reducing crosstalk, electromagnetic interference, and noise, resulting in highly stable and accurate data transmission. The flat cable design adds practical convenience, allowing easy installation along walls, corners, or tight spaces while preventing tangling and saving space. Built with a double-braided nylon exterior, it offers impressive durability and flexibility, with resistance to over 10,000 bends for long-term reliable use. With wide compatibility across Cat5 to Cat6A devices including PCs, consoles, routers, and NAS systems, this cable provides a future-ready, high-performance networking solution for both home and professional environments. Our third product is Luke fiber optic cable. This Cat8 Ethernet cable delivers outstanding ultra-high-speed performance with support for up to 40 gigabits per second data transfer and 2000 megahertz bandwidth, making it a powerful solution for online gaming, 4K per 8K video streaming, cloud computing, server applications, and video surveillance systems. It ensures ultra-low latency and stable connectivity even under heavy network loads, providing a smooth and uninterrupted digital experience. Built with 100% bare copper wiring and premium gold-plated RJ45 connectors, it significantly reduces signal loss while enhancing conductivity and long-term reliability. The durable PVC outer sheath combined with HDPE insulation further strengthens transmission quality while protecting against wear and environmental stress. Its ultra-thin flat design adds excellent flexibility, allowing easy installation under carpets, along walls, or in tight spaces while preventing tangling and clutter. With broad compatibility across Cat5 to Cat7 standards and support for routers, switches, modems, and other networking devices, this cable offers a reliable, future-ready, high-performance networking upgrade for both home and professional use. Now number 4, Dacron fiber optic cable. This Cat8 Ethernet cable delivers exceptional next-generation networking performance with ultra-high bandwidth of up to 2000 megahertz, enabling data transmission speeds up to 40 gigabits per second for demanding environments such as data centers, enterprise LANs, cloud computing, and 25G/40 base T applications. Designed with precision S/FTP shielding and a pure copper core, it ensures minimal signal loss, reduced crosstalk, and superior interference protection for consistently stable and reliable connectivity even under heavy loads. The gold-plated RJ45 connectors further enhance conductivity and long-term durability, making it suitable for mission-critical network setups. Its universal backward compatibility with Cat5 through Cat7 standards ensures seamless integration with a wide range of existing devices, including routers, switches, PCs, gaming consoles, servers, and printers. Built with a reinforced structure combining aluminum foil shielding, braided mesh, and PVC outer jacket, it offers excellent durability, flexibility, and weather resistance for heavy-duty and long-term outdoor or indoor use. And our last choice is Garrett Fiber Optic Cable. This Garrett Outdoor Cat 6 Ethernet cable is a robust and high-performance networking solution designed specifically for demanding outdoor and underground installations. Delivering speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second with a 600 megahertz bandwidth ensures fast, stable, and low-latency connectivity suitable for home offices, outdoor routers, surveillance systems, and professional IT deployments. Built with oxygen-free copper conductors and shielded foil twisted pairs, it minimizes signal loss, interference, and noise, ensuring consistent performance even over longer distances. Its direct burial-rated jacket provides excellent protection against moisture, soil pressure, and harsh weather conditions, eliminating the need for additional conduits and simplifying installation. The gold-plated RJ45 connectors with protective bubble boot covers enhanced durability by preventing wear and accidental damage while ensuring secure and easy disconnection when needed. With multiple length options and a rugged, weather-resistant design, this cable offers a reliable, long-term networking solution for both residential and commercial outdoor applications. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.